Welcome to Technology Tuesday. My name is Carlos Estrada. I'm the Merlin Ford Lincoln Fleet Commercial Sales Manager. Today I want to introduce you to my favorite vehicle in our Ford lineup, the all-new 14th generation Ford F-150 in iconic silver with the exclusive Admiral Blue two-tone interior only found on the Limited. Let's have a closer look at this F-150. What makes this Limited an F-150, what makes this truck an F-150 is not the badge that you see on the side panel. It's not the tailgate stamp that you see on the back here. What makes this truck an F-150 is that it's tried, tested, and true. It's been the #1 selling vehicle in North America in the pickup segment for 44 years running. And most importantly, it's built for tough. Come inside with me, I'll show you how to pair your phone this week, as well as have you look at this beautiful Admiral interior I was telling you about. Let's start off by grabbing my phone. And I want to show you one of the features of this F-150 is a wireless charging pad. As you see it there, next to the micro USB and regular USB charging ports there. This wireless charging pad is available on several of our models in our lineup. And the big, I guess one of the newest features going to the Sync 4 system is that now you connect your phone wirelessly, so you don't have to connect the cord and plug it into the charger port first in order to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can do it just by following the prompts, and it's going to be wireless the whole time. This is a place where you can keep your phone as well when you're not charging it, so it's out of the way but it's still within reach. I've got my Apple iPhone here, so for Apple users you're going to want to go into your settings. You're going to want to go into your Bluetooth menu, and you're going to want to make sure it's turned on. Once it's turned on,
search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
You're going to select Ford F-150.
Select one of the devices found by Sync.
It's going to ask you to pair.
The pin displayed
You're going to confirm
Sync
the pin on the
matches
screen.
Pin displayed on your device. For your safety,
if you want to use CarPlay, you hit use CarPlay right here.
Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
You're going to want to hit enable on the screen. Then you're going to want to touch the CarPlay icon on the Sync 4 12-inch screen. And there you go, there's my phone on the Sync 4 F-150 system. And I'll be able to make phone calls, listen to my music, put in an address in the maps, look at my text messages, send and receive text messages, make some phone calls, listen to one of my favorite podcasts. Thanks for joining us for another Merlin Ford Lincoln Technology Tuesday segment. See you next week.